Namaskar, you're watching Ritim News and I'm Suruchi Das. In recent times, the escalating violence against Hindus in Bangladesh has drawn significant concern, extending beyond Bangladesh to its neighboring country, India, which has demonstrated a strong commitment to the safety and well-being of Hindus and other minorities in neighboring regions. This was evident in high-level international discussions, where India emphasized the urgent need for protecting Hindus in Bangladesh. In his latest conversation with US President Joe Biden, PM Modi stressed the plight of Hindus in Bangladesh. He expressed deep concern over the attacks on Hindus, urging the need for swift restoration of law and order. By raising this issue with the United States, Modi ensured that the plight of minorities in Bangladesh is recognized on the global stage. Despite India's proactive stance, Muhammad Yunus, the interim leader of Bangladesh, has faced mounting criticism for his ineffective response to the violence. His assurances regarding the safety of Hindus and other minorities have been criticized as insufficient and misleading. While Yunus has claimed that the situation is under control, reports indicate continued unrest and attacks, casting doubt on his administration's ability to address the crisis effectively. The fact that India has a huge role to play in the current geopolitical scenario was highlighted during PM Modi's latest visit to Eurasia, where diplomatic efforts came into sharp focus. As PM Modi met both Volodymyr Zelensky and Vladimir Putin, India's role vying for peace became more visible. This visit showcased India's potential as a mediator, reflecting its growing influence in fostering dialogue and seeking peaceful resolutions in conflict zones. Furthermore, India's stance on the Israel-Hamas conflict illustrates its commitment to global peace. Our nation has consistently called for an end to violence and advocated for the protection of civilians, reinforcing its role as a global advocate for stability. In all these scenarios, whether in Ukraine, Bangladesh, or the Middle East, India is emerging as a key player on the world stage. The nation is not only focused on its own borders, but is actively shaping a safer, more just global community.